Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one we're covering patient-led assessments of the care environment. There's an awful lot of data in this one, over 18 tables. There's so far just over 5 million rows of data going back to October 2013. You can see from the description of the sort of data there is. Now, I've only queried a few of the tables because there's just too many for this video. Ask for a free trial and we'll give you access and you can have a play with the whole lot. So let's have a look what we have queried. Assessor, so that gives you an idea of the sort of data there, all the different organisations being assessed. Communal, that's the sort of data you get there. I normally do a breakdown of each of these, but there's just too much, so you need to ask for a free trial and then you can have a play. Data grid, external data, awful lot of different types of metrics there. There's metadata here that helps explain a bit more about all the fields in the data. Org facilities, organisations food, and organisations scores. I did bring out the measure names there. So as I say, that was just a few of the tables. There's all these other ones as well. So yeah, get a free trial and you can have a look. Thanks.